Community Initiatives is a nonprofit organization specializing in health and wellness in order to make a positive difference in the lives of our partners and clients. We focus on an umbrella of services that support and cover health, community, and youth programming. Community health impacts everyone's quality of life. Improving patients' ability to live well by providing quality medical care at a caring medical home has made Clinica Gratis the life-saving, life-changing part of Community Initiatives Incorporated.
The free clinic is like a hospital for me because if the clinic didn't exist, I wouldn't have a place to go, and I know my illnesses would get worse and be more chronic because I wouldn't have the resources to pay another clinic where they could see me.
When I began this job 4 years ago, my goal was to give a little back to the community by helping our uninsured patients receive quality health care and to learn a little Spanish. But in the end, I'm the one that was blessed by this clinic and by our sweet patients.
We had a gentleman and his wife coming from a county about 40 minutes away, and they had both been laid off from their jobs after 20 plus years of employment. And so they lost their insurance benefits, and they had many chronic medical conditions. And so they came into the clinic, and I saw them separately, and they expressed how they did not have transportation, and they had to save all their money to get the money to pay someone to drive them to the clinic. And so while I'm working with them and finding out that they haven't been on their medications for quite a few months, their health conditions were out of control, and honestly, they were in a very dangerous place. We worked through trying to get their medications ordered, but they didn't even have the funds to pay for the $4 medications that they needed. So we were trying to help them prioritize which medications they could afford, and it just broke our hearts that we weren't able to give them everything that they needed. So we worked with management and Teresa Goodman here, and we found a way to help that gentleman get the medications that he needed.
My name is Heather, and I'm a nurse practitioner student with Anderson University, and I am going back to school to be a nurse practitioner to help the community. And Clinica Gratis has been a wonderful learning opportunity and environment for me to do exactly what I'm going back to school to do and help the community.
I saw the write-up in the paper where they were going to try to help people here in Greenwood with the dental problems that they had. And I got in contact with this wonderful lady, and she has got back with me and said that y'all have gotten together and maybe can get some help.
The thing I've loved about community initiatives is they not only treat the illness or the injury that the patient presents with, but also their needs for a home, their needs for constant medication to control these chronic illnesses. Community initiative works as a whole to prevent patients from going to emergency room unnecessarily. They save money, they save resources, and they help the people that need it the most and just can't afford it.
Financial workshops, job readiness classes, senior services, and the benefit bank programs all work hand in hand to support and revitalize the community.
We partner with community initiatives to make sure citizens of Greenwood County have access to healthy food. One of the ways we do that is having a representative come to the food bank from community initiatives to ensure that our clients are able to apply for SNAP benefits. It's important to let clients know that they may also be eligible when sometimes they think they're not.
Working here at Community Initiatives has given me the opportunity to impact lives through the benefit bank services.
We work with community initiatives as a partner to bring you the first little free library in Matthews for our residents. We also meet at their facility once a month, and it gives us a chance as a group to actually come together and find positive things we can do in our neighborhood to make our neighborhood better.
I'm a recruiter for Project Hope, and what we do is that we have a partnership with Community Initiative. And how that works is that we have participants that are interested in getting SNAP, and what it does is it allows us to send people over here to gain that opportunity to do that. Along with that being said is that we also get participants from Community Initiative to come to Project Hope. What my occupation does is that we help people in the medical field. So we have a group partnership with everyone at Community Initiative, and they have a group partnership with Project Hope. And that is the best thing ever.
Community Initiatives has created a difference in my life because I feel like I'm doing my part to help my community.
A lot of seniors don't get out much, and this is something they can do to come out, and I think they enjoy it. We have lunch, and each group, we have 3 groups, and each group have a turn to make lunch. And they really enjoy it. We play bingo, and they enjoy that. Most people enjoy bingo. So, and I think that's good. That's what I like. That's getting together.
The Safe Haven program increases education through literacy, STEAM, and health and wellness services to prepare youth for lifelong success during both the academic year and summer break.
My name is Brandon Platt. I am the education specialist at Beyond Abuse. I come to Community Initiatives and work with them for youth education programs to teach the kids about healthy relationships and how to communicate better to different people. And we do all sorts of girls and boys programs.
My children originally started here in the summer program, and they enjoyed it so much they didn't want to end it in the summer, so we decided to go on with the after-school program. It's very convenient. They've gotten to experience new things like musicals, plays, and different things they probably would never experience.
Last summer we expanded our leadership development program for high school girls by creating, with the assistance of Community Initiatives, the Summer Circle Leadership Development Program for middle school students. For years, the Women's Leadership Council has scholarshiped young women from Greenwood to attend the Summer Leadership Institute at Columbia College. Last year, it occurred to us that we could create an opportunity for those students to give back to our community by creating a day camp opportunity where they are the leaders and pour back into the middle school students in our community. We needed some partners, and Community Initiatives came to the table, offering us space, staff, volunteers, and tremendous support for our initial efforts.
I work with the Safe Haven program. I work with the 5th graders, and they bring great joy to me. I love when they come in excited and ready for homework, as well as ready for group activities.
When I was deciding to retire last year from District 50, I thought that I would like to be doing something else to keep my activity with children going on, and I was very fortunate to be able to come and work here as a counselor at Safe Haven. The children are very sweet and responsive. They want to learn, they want to do a great job, and they miss us every day. If we're not here, they're like, we missed you, where have you been? You know, so we form a good relationship, not only just doing homework, teaching, and all of the other activities that we do, but it's about forming relationships in the community.
I am a counselor with the 2nd grade class. I work with them with reading, spelling. I have improved their grades. I feel like I make a big impact on their lives.
So Safe Haven has been wonderful. We've had numerous of partners who have come together to help Safe Haven to continuously be a good impact within our community. We don't turn any kids away, because we feel like all kids need to have some type of experience where they're gaining some type of positive outcome. So Safe Haven is a wonderful program. Safe Haven is a place where kids can be themselves, where they will always have a friend or always have someone who will be beneficial to helping them overcome their obstacle.
I'm a member of the Greenwood Alumni Chapter of Delta Sigma Theta Sorority Incorporated, and I'm here to talk about the program called Embody, which stands for Empowering Males for Opportunities for Developing Independence. Greenwood Alumni Chapter has partnered with Community Initiatives to work with young males in the aspects of education, cultural, and social aspects. In partnering with Community Initiative, we found that they have the same goals as Greenwood Alumni Chapter in working with and improving the lives of African American males and children within the Greenwood community.
I have 2 boys that goes here, and they come after school. And when they first started, I had a hard time with them doing homework, and I got them started with the program. And probably like 2 years ago, it's like if they miss coming to the homework center, Mom, why we're not coming to the homework center? And they're eager to do their homework. They're eager to make good grades and show the homework counselors that they're making good grades.
When my children's grandmother passed away, they were such a great support. They offered open-ended counseling, questions about, grieving, and it really helped our family to become at peace with the whole grieving process.
I started coming here since I was kindergarten, and now I'm in 5th grade.
We get to go on fun trips, like we've been to the theater, we're going to the movies and things. They help us do fun things because of how we act.
They let us go on trips and we have healthy snacks. Counselors always help us with our homework when we need help. That's one of the reasons that I like coming here.
What I like about Safe Haven is when we had our field day, it was a lot of fun to play with other kids and do lots of races.
Safe Haven takes us to the museum, and the ladies come from Fuji and talk about STEMs.
We talk about bullying, we talk about things for people to be safe, and we talk about like lots of girl stuff.
And what I like about leadership camp is because they tell us about bullying, and they tell us one time they made us write about why you shouldn't bully and what the consequences would be. And it's like a safe camp for everybody, and it's really fun.
Community Initiatives is one of Greenwood's great nonprofit organizations. From their award-winning free clinic, Clinica Gratis, to quality youth programming, such as their after-school program Safe Havens and a great summer youth program. They also offer adult services to include job training as well as programs for senior citizens. Community Initiatives is making a huge difference in Greenwood, and the Self Family Foundation is proud to be one of their partners.
The reason I became a board member here at CI is because I like the saying, be the change that you want to see, and I feel like that's what we accomplish here at Community Initiatives, whether it's finding quality health care, seniors looking for companionship, or kids that need after-school help. That's what we are here to do.
To me, Community Initiatives is the only nonprofit in Greenwood that reaches all sections of our society. It addresses needs for whites, African Americans, and Hispanics. It addresses needs from children, after-school programs, to seniors who they feed every day for lunch. I think Community Initiatives is what Greenwood needs. It takes care of everybody, so I'm honored to have a spot on their board.
Community Initiatives is very important to me. As an employee with Self Regional Healthcare and manager of the Mobile Health Unit, we partner with Community Initiatives to change lives throughout the community. We factored in with Clemson University to have women's screenings and screenings for the public in general. These screenings have an immediate impact on our hospital and the community throughout.
We just love Community Initiatives, and Teresa and all her staff are always so helpful to us, and we're blessed to have them in our community.
Community engagement and involvement has proved to be the key to Community Initiatives' success. The support of volunteers, medical providers, staff, and donors allow our diverse services to find and work in favor of those who need us most. Your help is a vital part of supporting a vibrant, engaged organization prepared to inspire service through our daily work. By working with the community, for the community, we save lives and transform futures. Our community is the bridge that connects heartfelt work to producing valuable, measurable outcomes that prove what many have learned over the past 17 years, that every day is a chance to change a life. Community Initiatives is here to help make that day a reality. My CI is what Community Initiatives inspires to be: heart, health, and hope.
My CI helps break through language barriers.
My CI helps provide benefit bank services.
My CI had the first bridge clinic in Greenwood County.
My CI brings a lot of energy to children's lives.
My CI provides quality health care and builds relationships within our community.
My CI is my breath of fresh air.
My CI improves math and reading scores for children.
My CI becomes a voice to those who are silent.
My CI is a medical home.
My CI has introduced my children to the arts.
My CI is youth education programs.
My CI provides a safe haven for the children.
My CI believes in community health.
My CI supports and improves the children in the Greenwood community.
That's what my CI is, an extended family.
My CI provides a safe haven for community youth to achieve their goals.
My CI termina con las barreras del lenguaje.
My CI is hope for tomorrow.
My CI serves all of Greenwood.
My CI promueve una vida sana.
My CI.
My CI. My CI. My CI. My CI.
My CI saves lives.